From the world leader in mobile fall protection, Malta Dynamics introduces our tallest mobile anchor, the X1270. This highway towable pre-engineered anchor is ready to provide anchorage for 2 workers up to 45 feet, or at any adjusted height, just minutes after arriving to your facility. Like our previous models, this system operates on a battery-driven hydraulic system, with 2 synchronized sections to adjust height and a third telescoping extension for ultimate anchor placement. At its highest point, the anchorage reaches 45 feet, perfect for 2-story structures, also allowing for a working footprint of up to 13 feet wider than our previous models. The simplicity and ease of use is unmatched. Manual outriggers are deployed. The machine is leveled within 2 degrees and the wheels are chocked. The rest is accomplished with the push of a button. Designed, manufactured, and tested in the USA, our X-Series line is subject to the most stringent testing of any mobile anchor ever made. We guarantee it. Call us today to schedule your free on-site demo.